Hi, so today I want to make a nice video in support of bringing more energy into your lower dantian and bringing a sense of centering your qi. So we have three major energy centers in the body. We have one in the head, which is the upper dantian. We have one in the chest area at the heart. This is the middle dantian, but we're going to focus on this lower one here at the pelvis. So we want to bring as much energy as we can here so that you build that energetic storehouse. So take your left hand like a flat table right here at the waist. Take your right hand and imagine we can scoop energy from the earth, from nature, and from the sky above and bring it right down through the center of the head and the chest, down to this lower dantian. Let's switch sides. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose as you bring it right down through the center. And get a sense of bringing a sense of alignment to your body as you alternate one side, exhale down through the midline, and the other side. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathing in, scooping, and exhale, receiving, filling up that lower dantian. And let's do that one more time on this side. Inhale and exhale. And then bring your hand around. Let your right hand pause in front of your heart. And we call this Taoist prayer position. So we're going to take a moment and feel all the things you're grateful for. Let it just fill your heart. Let it nurture you and nourish you. So having a moment just to feel that, we're going to fill that into the space around us. So let's take a breath in and slowly lift that lower hand as you drop the upper hand. Let them just reach, one hand reach up, one hand reach down. So you're gathering energy from earth and sky. And continue to float them around. Floating up. This is going to be our inhale here as we gather. Exhale, receive. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, and then bring your left hand over to the side, right hand here at the waist, and let's scoop again. And we'll pause into our prayer position one more time. Have a moment just to breathe with that and see if there's more gratitude that you can add into your heart. What else is there out there? There's probably more if you want to think about it for a moment. And let's flow that. Let's lift that lower hand, drop the upper hand, and rotate around. Flowing up, and we'll inhale as we circle, exhale as we float the hands through the midline. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Let's do that one more. Inhale. Exhale, and then bring both hands down to this lower dantian. A moment of pause as you breathe only with the nose. Let the energy settle here. And let's lock that in with some rotations, whichever direction you like to start. Let's do a few in one direction and a few more in the opposite. Good. And you can feel free to do that longer if you'd like, this whole exercise to really bring in more gratitude into your life, more centering. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.